apple-filled shortcrust pastry recipe. I am peeling 3 apples and cutting them in halves. I am grating all of the pieces now. Let's now put the grated apples in a pan. And add 3 tablespoons of icing sugar on it. I am stirring it thoroughly while cooking it for a few more minutes. After it cooks for 10 minutes, let's remove it from the hob. I am now adding a handful of crushed walnuts and some cinnamon on it. I am stirring it for the final time. I am leaving this aside to let it cool down and move on to preparing the dough. I am cracking 1 egg inside 250 grams of melted butter. I am adding a cup of icing sugar and 50 milliliters of milk in it, and mixing everything thoroughly. After that, I am gradually adding some flour to start kneading the dough. The amount of flour you would need for this recipe should be between 4 to 5 cups. Let's add 2 tablespoons of yogurt to this mix and slowly add some more flour. The dough should have an earlobes consistency. I am ripping off walnut-sized pieces from the dough and rolling them out until they reach the size of a saucer. As you can see, I am making 4 incisions vertically in the middle. After placing the filling, let's roll them up. I am placing the pastries on a baking paper lined tray. In a preheated oven, I will bake them at 170 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. After removing them from the oven, I am placing them on a serving tray and sifting some icing sugar on them before serving. This recipe will serve 8 people. Enjoy!